Grow with skills.
Here's a fun and catchy cooking themed kids song for you. Chop, chop, chop the veggies, slice them nice and small. Mix them in a big, big bowl, we'll cook them one and all. Stir it up, mix it round and round. Cooking's fun for everyone, hear that happy sound. Boil, boil, bubble, bubble, pasta's in the pot. Add some cheese and stir it up, yummy, nice and hot. Stir it up, mix it round and round. Cooking's fun for everyone, hear that happy sound. Flip, flip, flip the pancake, make it golden brown. Drizzle honey, spread some jam, the best in all the town. Sprinkle, sprinkle sugar dust on a yummy treat. Bake a cake and frost it up, so soft and oh so sweet.